Hey guys, welcome to Love and Love. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera gel at home. We end up in spending a lot of money in the market to buy this aloe vera gel, which is very expensive from its side and also contains a lot of chemicals like artificial colors, preservatives, which may damage our skin in long run of usage. So here I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera gel at home in a natural way. And the making of this is the process of making this aloe vera gel is very easy and simple. You just need this type of leaf, that is aloe vera leaf. Nowadays we find these aloe vera plants everywhere else there. So yeah, let's start the process here. So these are aloe vera leaf. I have cut into two pieces. I just took one complete leaf and made it into half, and I have washed it thoroughly with just plain water. And now I'm going to take away the thorns, which is overside, and also I'm going to cut the yellow part of this. And now I'm going to take away the thorns, which is from the side of this leaf. Be careful. There are many ways to extract the aloe vera gel. I'm just showing it in a simple way, that's it. So I'm going to take the thorns from both the sides and cut these leaves into half, in the middle half. Like so. And again I'm just going to cut this like this from inside middle. Please be careful while doing this process. Look at this, how nice it looks. And now with the help of a spoon, I'm just going to scoop out the aloe vera gel. I'm just going to scoop out the complete flesh into the bowl. I know it's quite a time-taking process, but that's all fine. You can make this aloe vera gel in lump sum and you can store it in refrigerator. This goes well for 1 month without any problem. I do I just prepare for 1 month and keep it in refrigerator, and I almost use it in everyday routine. And this gel has lot of benefits for our skin and for our hairs, and also for diabetes patients out there. It even have a lot of health benefits as well. And here is how it looks after extracting all the flesh out of the leaf. And to this I'm just going to add a little water to wash it. If you don't have time, no need to wash, just add it directly to the blender, no problem at all. So here I'll be washing each time I extract the juice or extract the aloe vera gel. And now I'm going to add it to the blender, mixer jar, and gonna blend it away. You can see the gel here, right? This is how it looks. And then I'm just going to blend it and show it to you all guys. And this is how the aloe vera gel or aloe vera juice look like after grinding it. And the froth is just because when you grind, because of the motion or because of the friction, the froth arises, and it does take little time to settle down, like few hours. Finally, I have transferred it into the container, into this glass jar, and you can use it for multi-purpose, guys. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If so, please give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and do follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification, and if you missed my previous videos, please go watch it. The link will be in the description box. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.